How to disassemble and assemble the coiled chain when you receive it. Logging coiled chain. Chain disassembly and chain assembling machine. Seamless disassembly and assembly of the chain. Simple to operate to disassemble and assemble. Measure the required number of links for the saw chain. Place it into the chain disassembly slot. Step on the green chain disassembly pedal. Fast and accurate chain disassembly. Step on the yellow chain assembling pedal. The chain connection is safe and efficient. Efficient machine for transforming coiled chains into strip chains. It can be equipped with disassembly chain heads of multiple sizes. It can disassemble and connect coiled chains of various sizes.